Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Wheels. Today I'm out with the JLB Cheetah again at a very familiar location. I was just here with the Cheetah and I'm back already. So if you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's bash. Okay, all set up, powered on with the stock battery. Let's go. Look at that thing go. Oh, this thing just tears up the grass. It's crazy. Whoa, that was cool. Ooh. Oh, this thing is so much fun to bash around. My goodness. Ooh. Let's try a full speed flyby. Okay, full speed flyby. Here we go. This should be full throttle. That was as close as I could get. You could see it was just hopping up and down on the grass. Oh, this thing is so much fun. If you don't have one already, buy one. It's amazing. See if I can turn this into a good ramp. Oh yeah, that was awesome. A little bit more speed. Oh, Jiminy Christmas. That was a pretty bad crash, and it survived unscathed. This right here honestly might make a better ramp. Let's give that a shot. Start at the top of the hill, and it's much smoother for sure. Ah, the tree's right in the way. I can't jump and brake at the same time or else that happens. Let's test its handling capabilities. Whoa, oh, almost right into the garbage can. These diffs are not locked, so it's not the best on corners, but I mean, it can still turn pretty well. I think the video is just about at an end. There's not really much to do in this big field that hasn't already been done. So let's do a couple more things and then we'll close out the video. Ooh, too much turning. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh no, is that full throttle? That is full throttle. Oh well, guys, that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Go check out some of my other videos. I have many more videos coming on the Cheetah very shortly, some upgrades possibly. Tell me in the comments what you think I should do with this car. In my last video, bashing it broke off the wing. If you want to check out that video, click right up there. But as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Farewell.